Hello everyone and welcome to UPS Education. We are back with another video for you. In this video, we will tell you how you can fill up the application form of Calcutta University for M.Phil Clinical Psychology. As you know, in the first step, we will type UPS Education in our browser and we will click on this link. Now we have reached on UPS Education's website. We will click on Updates tab. Now that we have reached on the Updates tab, we will find the application form of Calcutta University on the related article. Here you can find all the information about the application of M.Phil Clinical Psychology at Calcutta University, like their course fee, their eligibility criteria, the number of seats and stipend. Now we need to apply for the application, so we will click on Apply Now. Now we have reached on the application portal of Calcutta University. We will now click here to register as a new applicant. You should read all the instructions that are available here and click on I have read the instructions. Now we have filled all the details and we will click on Apply. Here you need to enter the OTP that is provided to you on your email ID. Now we will submit the OTP. Here in the personal information section, you need to fill up your name, your mother's name, your father's name, the mobile number is already filled, the occupation of your mother, father's occupation, income per year, date of birth, gender, nationality, religion, category, locality, marital status, employment status, blood group, and if you belong to the PWD category or not. Now that we have filled all the details in the personal information section, we'll proceed to the next, which is address section. Here you need to fill up your address. You also are required to upload a passport size photograph of yours. Here in the academic details section, you need to fill up all the details according to your mark sheet and proceed with the next step. In the next section, you need to complete your 12th mark sheet details. You need to fill up according to your 12th mark sheet only. Then we'll proceed further. Last qualifying exam, I'll say applied psychology. Here you need to submit your fee payment receipt and you can pay your fee by the details that we have mentioned in the complete article. As we can see, you need to pay the fee through these following details, and we'll proceed further. We'll just upload something here. Age proof like your Aadhaar card or your PAN card. Your signatures. You need to submit a mark sheet here also. Now we will fill up the CAPTCHA code. Now we'll click on continue. You need to fill up your complete marks that you have achieved in your senior secondary, your higher secondary, your BA, BSc, your post-graduation marks total and full marks. You need to complete the address details clearly. You need to check it again so that there are no errors. Here we have filled all the details that are required. These are our 10 plus 2 details, means your 12th details. Now we'll click here and submit the CAPTCHA code and we'll click continue. Now here you need to select a college that you prefer for the same. Here is only one college that provides M.Phil clinical psychology. We'll say one and we'll submit it. Now we have completed the application because the payment has already been done and we have uploaded the details of the payment there. Now we'll click on print the form. Here are all the details that you have filled for the application form. Now you need to wait and you need to prepare for your entrance examination only. The examination date, as you can see here, is 10th January 2023. So best of luck. Thank you for watching this video. We hope it was helpful for you. We'll see you in the next video. Best of luck for your entrance exam.